all week. Ryan Breton has been giving us a heads up that today was really our standout hot and humid day for this stretch.
Yeah, last week, what was it? 3 or 4 days, basically?
Yes, it was. Glad it's just one this week.
Just one, pretty much. And we'll watch out for a couple of storms this afternoon. Okay. Highest chance will probably be inland. And we mentioned this yesterday. We're in this pattern where some places will go 7 days without any rain.
Which is another issue.
Right. Other places will get some drops from time to time, depending on where those storms line up.
Okay.
We've got a live picture out over Bangor, 85 degrees, a little hazy sunshine there right now. Portland's at 88. We've had enough of a land breeze where there really isn't much of a sea breeze anywhere on the coast at this point. Here are the numbers statewide. Wiscasset, 89. Sanford, 89. Augusta, Freiburg, I should say, 89. Augusta at 85. Northern Maine, though, it's been cloudier, and there actually is a front up here, so it's not nearly as hot up in the county or near the international border. And you can see that reflected in the dew points, too. Not quite as humid in Caribou, but much of the rest of the state is squarely in this humid range with dew points in the mid to upper 60s and even one of 70 right now in Rockland. Big difference compared to last week. We don't have the heat index values up above 100, which we had some places that got well above 100 last week, coupling that heat with the humidity. Heat index values will peak in the lower 90s for most of us this afternoon. Lots of sunshine along the coastal plain, but you can see the clouds generating up here in northern Maine. That's where that front is sitting. And along this front this afternoon, there will be a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms. It doesn't really race through, though, because there's another wave that travels along it. So it's not until the end of the day tomorrow that this front really clears through the whole state. And then we get into more comfortable weather with the next area of high pressure for the weekend. So we'll show you the hour-by-hour forecast. If you are in southern coastal Maine, odds probably favor you staying dry through late afternoon or early evening. The best chance for anything popping up will be closer to that front in the mountains and up north. And there could be an isolated severe storm with some gusty winds, especially up around Route 2 into northern New Hampshire. Overnight tonight, it stays warm and quite muggy. Last night wasn't unbearable, but I think tonight's going to be more uncomfortable. Some places only drop into the upper 60s to around 70, and there will be some showers out there overnight, particularly in northern Maine. Now, tomorrow, that front's slowly coming through, and there's a chance we bubble up a shower or a rumble of thunder during the day, but it would be quick if you get one. And then once that front goes offshore, we have a great looking weekend. The new air comes down from Canada, which will be dry, comfortable air, temps in the lower to mid 80s over the weekend, and the nights will be pretty comfortable too, especially Saturday night into Sunday morning. And then after that, it looks like we may get back into some heat by the middle of next week. Out there this afternoon, seas running 2 to 4 feet with a southwest wind 5 to 15 knots, gusting up to 20. So again, best chance for a storm this afternoon is going to be farther inland. Can't rule out one to the south, and same goes tomorrow. Beautiful looking weekend, temps in the lower 80s, and then it does look like we've got a chance to heat back up the middle of next week, especially Tuesday and Wednesday. And if everything plays out perfectly or not perfectly, depending on your point of view, we could even be hotter than today. We could make it up to the mid 90s either Tuesday or Wednesday, but it all depends on the wind direction, cloud cover, any storms. Okay. But right in between, in the middle of that, Brian, it's a great looking weekend.
Yeah, which we've been waiting a long time for. So that's good. Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.